If ever you're in my arms again, this time you're forever. Hi, hello team. Hi Annie. I love so sweet. Good evening. Good evening here. Good evening. Thank you so much, Zach. Salam. Hi team. Hello. Sika. Sika. Shit. 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 Thank you for the thumbs up and the 4 people here. How are you, team? Hi, May. Thank you for the 4 people. Thank you for Stephen Pause. Pause. Williford. Hi, Stephen. Hi, Cheryl. Good in you. I'm good. Good evening to all. It's been. Thank you for the 6 people. And the 3 thumbs up. Thank you, guys. Kumusta? Good to hear. Good night, my friend. Good night, Rodrigo. Thank you so much, Rodrigo. Thank you for the thumbs up. Salamat. Salamat. Thank you so much. You have work today, Rodrigo. Morning there, right? How are you? I'm fine. I'm good. How are you? How about you, Rodrigo? Tip like okay. Salamat. Thank you. Thank you, Rodrigo. Hi, Kenny. Hi, Cheryl. Bye from Kenny. Hi, Kenny. Thank you for joining. Good morning for May. May. Good night, May. From Rodrigo. Thank you for the 18 people here and the 4 thumbs up. Thank you so much. Hey, my pleasure. Thank you, Kenny. Where are you from, Kenny? Kenny Roger. Sorry, good morning to you, Rodrigo. Thank you for the 19 people. Wow. And the 5 thumbs up. Dallas, Texas. Ah, okay. Nice to meet you, Kenny. Sorry, me joke. It's a joke from Rodrigo. Thank you for the 19 people. Salamat. Thank you so much. Salamat sa 20 people and the 6 thumbs up. Thank you guys. Hit like and subscribe, friends. Okay. Thank you, Rodrigo. Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you. Hi, Roy Meller. Mwah. Ma. The champ is here. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you. Thank you. Welcome back, Roy Miller. Thank you for joining again here. Sugito Gambo Hulu. What this means? What that means? Are you from Indonesia? Thank you for the another thumbs up. Salamat. Thank you. Leo Repolledo, February 21, 2008, Vice Governor Leo S. Repolledo Jr., born BB, Bonawan, Davao City. Okay. Angeles Sugeto. Thank you for the 18 people and the 8 thumbs up. American Roadrunner. Hi, American Roadrunner. How are you? Omar. Omar Nebrada. Hi, ganda. Good evening. Good evening din sa'yo. Good evening to Hi, Ja Max Vlog. Hi, Ja Max Vlog. Thank you. Thank you for joining me here. Matthew Whittington. Hello, Matthew. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for the 24 people and the 8 thumbs up. Salamat. Saan ka sa irusin? Sa, ah, sa Bagsangan. Rodrigo, where are you from? Si Rodrigo from Brazil. From Brazil. Stephen Paul. Okay. Okay, have to dash. Have a good night, beautiful. Happy. Have a good night. Thank you, Stephen Paul de Lafar. Thank you so much. JC Gail. Hi. Leo Repolledo. April 27, 1974. Governor Edwin Jubaheb. Born BB. Tagum Davao del Norte. Okay. Sao Paulo, Brazil. It's from Brazil. Ganun ba? Diyan din ako nakatira. Saan ba dito? Girl. Saan ka dito, Omar? Baka kapitbahay kita? Kapitlayo. Kapitbahay. Saan dito? Aray. Hello. From ano? Atay ko Axel. Welcome back, Axel. Hope you try to, try to English. I love Asia. Thank you, Rodrigo. Hello, Big Daddy 86. Hello. Stephen Ford. Home. Should have a red. Be happy, not beautiful. Happy, sorry. Okay. Okay. Should have red. Happy, not beautiful. Okay. Thank you, Stephen. From Big Daddy 86. I'm single. I'm ready to mingle. Oh. How old are you, Big Daddy? Hello, Swag Boy. Swaggy Boy. Not yet, but I'm ready to, soon I will be married. Hello, Axel. Hello, baby. I love you. I love you, Mart. Oh, that's it. 47. Where are you from, Big Daddy? Kapango Vlog. Good evening, Kapango Vlog. Salamat po sa pagpunta, Kapango Vlog. Thank you po. Don't forget, like my friends, okay? Thank you. Swaggy Boy. When? December. And December. I don't understand, Excel. Single ka pa, Sheryl? Hindi na. Hindi na po. Sorry. Hindi na. Oh, bata pa to si Kuan. Axel. Hi, Ramesh. Welcome back. Good evening. Thank you for the 29. Walaan ko i-judge mo ko, hindi 29. How are you doing, my friend? Going live. May, bye-bye. Bye-bye, May. Bye-bye from Rodrigo. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Great night for you. Thank you. Thank you, Rodrigo. Take care. I'm good. I'm doing live. So sweet. So beautiful, my friend. Thank you, Ramesh. Hi, Greg. Thumbs up dan. Maganda, Cheryl. Thank you. Thumbs up dan. Good evening. Good morning there in US. Paradigo, take care again. Good morning to you. How are you, my friend? I'm good. How are you doing? I'm doing live here. Coffee. Parang may nagsisigawan dyan sa labas. May basketball sa labas. Naglalaro yung mga bata. 43 years old na po ako. Super what? Very good. Good morning, team from Greg. Romy Mix Vlog. Hi, Sir Romy Mix Vlog. Yum Yum. Do you remember me? Yes, I remember you, Yum Yum. Ciao. Thank you, Ramesh. Thank you, Sir Romy Mix Vlog. Coffee po. Please comment, like, and subscribe, everyone. Thank you, Greg. Hello. Greg, what do you do for career, Greg? All family member, very beautiful. Thank you. Thank you for the 19 people and the 8 thumbs up. Thank you. Yum Yum likes Roblox. You remember, Greg? Yum Yum. How are you doing? Coffee. Coffee. Walking tall. Hi, walking tall. Hello, my friend. Yes. What? What means rabbit? Ramish. I don't know that. Good evening, says. Good evening to everyone. Thank you po. Good evening to all. Thank you for the 10 people. 18 thumbs up and 15 people here. I run a concrete company team. Tim, Greg, her father have a own company, I think. Hi, Christy. Like my love friend. Thank you, Ramesh. Okay, okay. Are you Filipina? Yes. Walking tall. I'm Filipina. From Philippines. Face very beautiful, my dear. Thank you. Messy hair. What it means? The line. What line? This one. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say na, yam yama. I am from USA. I will come here, walking tall. Nice to meet you, walking tall. Thank you for the thumbs up. Salamat. I will see you later. Maganda, Sheryl. Ingat ka. Thank you, Greg. Ingat ka din. Thank you for joining here. Thank you so much. Nice to meet you, too young lady. No, I'm not young. I'm old na. Everyone have a great night or day. Thank you, Greg. Tatay Sanders. Hello, everyone. Hi, Tatay Sanders. Salamat. Salamat sa pagpunta ulit. Salamat sa patusok. 21 is not old. 40. I'm 40. 40. My age. 40. See you soon, team. Thank you for the 15 tusok and the 15 people. You coming to Texas. You meet each other? Tim and Greg. Wow. SM Rizal survived. Sultan Rizal Bandong. You are not. Yes, I am. 40 years old. Walking tall. Salamat, May. Thank you, May. From Greg. Not that I know. Steve, you are now look much younger than 40. More like younger. Do you have children? Yes, I have one kid. One child. I was seeing on your channel, Cheryl. Ah, okay. 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 Do you have a husband? Soon. I have a husband soon. All video song, very beautiful, my darling. Thank you, Ramesh. Sana all Englishing all. Sana all Englishing. Like, comment video, my darling. Thank you, Ramesh. Thank you for that 15 tusok and that 12 people joining my live. Salamat. Ay. What means the line? Ramesh. What the line? Are you now using software to look younger? No? No, I'm not using that. I'm not. Boy or girl, child. My child is a boy, 8 years old. I'm not. Hi, Sir Tim. Good evening from my sister. How old is your child? 8 years old. Walking tall. Welcome. I'm not using any like a filter. No filter. Yeah, I have a filter here. Wait, I try and touch on. Look, little, a little. I on a little smooth. I turn off. Yes, this is my no filter. Are you at the gym? No, I'm home. Yeah, my home at home. Like number 16. Thank you, Greg. Thank you, 16 Tosok. Google. 11 people. Google. Hi, Biglan. Welcome back, Biglan. Yum yum. Bye bye now. I'm going to leave because I'm bored. Okay. Take your time, Yum yum. Face very sweet, my love friend. Thank you, Ramesh. Magandang Filipina. Hello from Magandang Filipina. Kumusta? Double tap your screen, like, and subscribe, everyone. Thank you, Biglan. Salamat, Biglan. Biglan, I didn't like your comment about me. Huh? Why? What happened? What happened? She didn't say anything for you, him. Cheryl, take Biglan. Why? She didn't, say anything or something. Oh my god. Thumbs up, host, good evening. Carl Edis Vlog, thank you so much, Carl Edis Vlog. Thank you for the 17 tusok. Thank you. Hello, good evening. Good evening po. I'm Carol Edis Vlog. Not here. That was not nice what you said about me, Tim. Hey, what happened? Past is past, and Matthew Alexander, greeting from Nigeria. Hi, welcome here. Jinsu Chris Bicol, hello po, Bobby. Bobby, hi baby. Jimso, thank you, Jimso. I said all about. I said about all the money, all of them, the old job. Double tap your screen, like, and subscribe. Thank everyone. Thank you, Biglan. Uh, thank you, team. Thank you so much, guys. My best subscriber, Sheryl Ohm. Thank you. Your moderators are fighting. Yeah, walking tao. Calm down, calm down. Single ka po. Hindi na po ako. Calm down, guys. Just misunderstanding. Team, I know what you will and won't allow. Yeah. Mario Morant. Hi. I'm not single. Not single. Remember the room I told you that I was Cheryl and he is moderator not doing their job and he didn't like, so he kicked me. He kicked you? He kicked you? He kicked you. What happened? No. Just enjoy. Life is too short. Enjoy your life. Stay away with the negative. Negative, please. No negative. All positive vibes here. All about positive vibes here. From another room. Another room? Another room? Another life? I'm not worried about it. Kapobreng Layason TV. Hello po. Another live team, you mean? Thank you for the 19 Tusok. Yes, I told you. What? I have never seen anybody's moderators fight before. Yeah. What's happening, my moderators? Oh my god. Thank you for that, hindi Tusok. Traveler, how are you? I'm fine, traveler. Oh my good day. We're not fighting. Okay? No fighting. Just spread the good vibes. Just Positive vibes, good vibes only here. Nag-iisa ka lang dyan, ka lang ba dyan? Samahan kita? No. May kasama ako. Kasama ko yung aking mga magulang. Kasama mga anak ko, tulong na. Yung mama ko at papa ko, tulong na din. No one is fighting. Yes. No need to fight. We are here. Is here just a friend room. Chatting. Goodbye. Walking tall, goodbye. Thank you so much for joining me here, joining us here. Thank you so much. Have a good morning there in US. Thank you. Thank you so much. Walking tall. Welcome back again. I do live morning and night Philippine time. Ay, ay. Suddenly, it's magic. Suddenly, would you like to come to the United States, Washington, to this visit? Would you like? Yeah, I will go there maybe next year. New USA. Still, New USA. Bagong America. New America. Double tap your screen, like and subscribe, everyone. Thank you. Thank you so much. Hope no fighting here. Just good vibes and uh positive vibes. Joel Crawford. Hi, Joel Crawford. Thank you so much. Hello. Welcome. Nagralayasan. Si Alisa na paano kasi nagralayasan. Shell, do you love balot? Ano, I can't eat balot. Nah. But I try. Good job, Philippines. Going back to Dubai. Okay. Goodbye, Philippines. Going back to Dubai. Bye. Say hi to Dubai. I'm trying to see if I can find one Filipino who does not like balot. Who does not like balot? Not yet at balot. Not yet balot. Oh wow, I think I found one. I never try. I want to eat, but when I try, oh my god, the balot. What question are you asked the most? I don't know. Maybe, are you happy? Like that. The question. Are you happy? Yes, I was born in United States. I'm an engineer. Now I'm looking for a wife. You're an engineer? How old are you, Sir Mari Moran? Lon. How old are you, Sir Mario? You, Greg. Where you are from is the most question you are asked. It's the most question you ask. Chill, guys. Chilling. Good vibes, positive vibes. Friends, happy life, be hard. This is so this is the I finally found someone. You're the great. 45. Yeah. Are you married? Do you have a kid, Mario? They ask, where are you from? Is the question you're asked the most. Okay. They ask, where you're from? Is the question you're asked the most. Okay. 45 years old. Okay, Cheryl, I'm drinking Starbucks. Where is your coffee? It's coffee. I love Starbucks coffee. Sana all Starbucks coffee. Expensive coffee at Starbucks here. Just coffee? How much? How much price? Your favorite tasa? Yes, my favorite cup. Tasa. Mario, do you work for America? Truck from the state. Truck. Truck. Oh, oh, oh. So sick. Oh, what's wrong? Uh, top and it's train system in USA. It's a train. It's a train system. Cheong, hey Cheryl, why are not you sleeping? Not yet sleeping, but soon I will go to sleep. Still early here. Okay, 9 p.m. here. Soon I will be going to sleep. Delshad, welcome back, Delshad. Thank you for the 22 thumbs up. Tusok, truck. Truck. The truck. What else? You're young, maybe. So pieces nothing without you. Truck. Truck. Bangladesh vlog. Assalamualaikum auntie. Hi, assalamualaikum auntie. Hello. Welcome here. Bangladesh vlog. Nice to meet you. You are so pretty. Really? Cheong. Where are you from, Cheong? Cheong. Pretty. Korea. Hi, welcome to welcome Korea here. Nice to meet you, Chaya. From Mario Moran, do you have WhatsApp app or messaging coming to the Philippines soon? I have my own business, me and my brother. I would like to get to know you more better. So you seem to be a very nice young lady. I'm not young. I'm 40 years old. You take care. I'm going back to work. Thank you, Mario. Take care too. God bless. I have no WhatsApp. My phone full storage for new app. Um, no storage. And I'm not single. I'm not single. Speaker. Till I met you, I never know love. think I met you. This feeling seems to grow more every day. Although I am married, not yet married, but soon I will be married. I will be married soon, but not now. My favorite coffee, baka hindi ka makatulog niyan. Na, ano nga, mas ano to, mas nakakatulog ako pag nakakainom ng kape. Hindi ako makakatulog pag hindi ako nakainom ng kape. Anyway, do you wanna think so hard? Is your boyfriend upset about you getting married? Is your boyfriend upset about you getting married? What do you mean? No, he's kind. He's nice. No, I think he's not upset. Getting married. Sorry, I don't understand. I think he likes to marry me. Oh, no. Before, she is marrying her boyfriend. Yes, I married my boyfriend soon. Da! I'm going to know. Soon I have a ring. I have a ring now. I'm okay. Okay. Thank you for the 24 thumbs up. Eric Cantrabia Diaz. Estás ang directo o es grabado? What means? What question would you like to answer? What question do you like to answer? The question I would like to answer is, I don't know. Are you okay? Like, are you okay? Manuel. Manuel, it's you again. You come back again. Tamsa calls RC Lanosa. Hi, RC, welcome back. From hello, my love. Jerry. Welcome back, Jerry. Watching from Qatar. Nasa Qatar ka, Sir RC Lanosa. Salamat sa patamsak, sa patusok. Salamat po, Sir RC. Watching from Qatar, yes. Canti o Espanol, por favor. What is your most disliked question? Most disliked question? I don't know. Yes po. Ingat ka po, Sir RC Lanosa. And, God bless. God bless dyan sa trabaho mo dyan sa Qatar. Medyo malayo sa pamilya, no? Malayo. Tapos, malayong trabaho. wala na akong mental block na. You are always happy to see me. Overjoyed, Jerry. Aray ko. Overjoyed. Just happy I'm getting married soon. Charot. Estás muy bonita, tú muy bonita. Remember, you're not protected. I recently learned something about CAP from the internet. What about CAP? I remember, still before, someone comment me, and someone said, the, the question for, he asked me, the question, are you experienced died? If I experience died like that, I said yes. I feel experience like that just a few hours, few minutes, just hours when I accident. Oh come on, team, best part. I'm yours, so safe. What go? Calm down, guys. No fighting. Just calm down. Good vibes. Good vibes. Positive vibes. Hi, Eric Contribea. Call team. I'm just having fun, brother. Hello, I'm back. I know. Michael, thank you for the 26. Patusok. Thumbs up. Salamat. Coming back to me now. USA has about the biggest. Yes, biggest USA. Hi. Thank you for the 27. Pusak. Filipinas have about the smallest on the average worldwide. Yes, the smallest. Philippines is like an island. Philippines is like an island. Ano? Este programa, este grabado. Wait, what means? Hello, Lensa Budaya. Lensa. It's weird. Tantok na. Nantok na ako. Ano naman? Island, there are many more islands in the USA than in the Philippines. Yeah, I think America is the biggest, one of the biggest country in the world. And the Philippines is the one of the smallest country in the world. Philippines is like an island. Small country, small. Nakadaraan panghuya mo. Oo nga ni. Dog na. Dede. Pasuruhay. Makipasuhayan ini si Kuan. Thank you sa nag-heart. Salamat sa pa-heart. Hearts. Thank you for the 27, 11, 24/7. Turog na sa agan, kaya sige pan pasuruhay o mga ni. Turog na sa aga naman. Malaan kita para sa aga. Ay naka, gabi na to. Gulay. Do you have any question about the USA? USA is what's the culture of USA? The culture about culture there, USA. This time I love you much better. This time I'll never You solo, hablo español. What means solo? I know solo. It's alone. Like alone. English, Eric. Many people from many countries have moved to the USA during the past century and before. Why? From many countries. Why? Yes. Why they moved to the USA? Mainly because the good opportunity for the job, the career, maybe I think. Good opportunity. That's why they moved to the USA. God governance, USA, like that. Eric, she not solo. Okay. She not solo. What means ghetto? Gambo. I don't understand that. It's Indonesian language. There are more than 315 languages spoken in the USA. USA, too many. 350 languages. Sleeping your eyes. Yeah, sleeping eyes now. More than that still. More than that? 350 languages? So many. Oh my god. So many languages. What that mean, señorita? Oh, what ano? Why the lighter? I feel nice. Asa. Asa ka di ay. Asa ka di ay. Oh, nakulog na sa mata. Oh, nice. When too much on the screen, the eyes hurt. You feel. Yeah, I need to. Bye bye. I need to end the live. See you soon. Bye bye. God bless you guys. Thank you for joining. See you later tomorrow again. Bye bye.